Well, let's talk about Biocon and the numbers that they have delivered. Just before that, Biocon is a stock which has done very well for the last couple of years. They have launched a lot of biosimilars. They have got a lot of reported EBITDA that they have delivered. But don't forget that their other expenses have gone up, and that's why that number has come down to about 26 odd percent. 26% EBITDA margin, broadly in line with what the street was anticipating. Now, when we talk about the R&D spend, the company has increased the R&D spend on a YOY basis. Overall, you just get a sense that taxes as well as some of the other costs have gone up, and that's why the impact on PAT on a YOY basis is slightly higher. So about 149 crore is the PAT number that they have done, which is slightly lower, about 20% plus lower on a Y-to-Y basis. But again, a lot of things have changed from last year to this year. Their R&D spend have gone up, their manufacturing expenses have slightly gone up because of the new launches, and that's why it's important to see the numbers in those contexts. At EBITDA level, broadly in line. There were a lot of milestones that the company has achieved during the quarter that has gone by. Their generics facility had some issue of USFDA, which got an EIR, which means that it is now officially closed. That was an important event as far as the company goes. So that's happened. They have maintained their market share in some of the biosimilar drugs that they had launched earlier. So again, that was something which was market concerning, that whether their market share goes down, comes up, how things are happening. So they have maintained that market share. That is again something which will comfort the street. And a couple of launches have also happened in the previous quarter, but that mostly is known, and that mostly is something which markets have already factored in. Going ahead, when the management will speak regarding the numbers, the key thing to watch out is the outlook on the biologics business. What are the upcoming launches? What will be the full year guidance for R&D, capex, and various other ways in which they will operate? All of this will be particularly quite important when the management would speak. They are very, very bullish on the biologics business. They have extreme bullish targets. Do they continue to maintain that? Yes, biologics has been the growth driver for the last couple of years. Does that continue to be the case or not is something which everybody would watch out for. Overall, inline set of numbers, key milestones achieved during the quarter.